The bird eats snow.
No, bird meets snow.
Bird meets snow? Bird meet the snow. And eat it. She actually ate it. You bird eat snow? Ah, you're so... Look at you. I think she's trying to pound it. Eat it. Eat it. Your mouth is so cold. She's actually eating this. I'm very surprised.
She did?
Yeah. Ah, she really is. And she's on it. Bird meets the snow and eats it. Come on, keep eating it. Let them see you eat it. My hands hurt from holding you and the camera at the same time. Yay! Ow! You're eating it and you're pinching me. What's going on with this thing? Hello, and I will pinch the camera, and you're on top of the camera. No, over. Hello, I will eat the camera. I didn't say get out of the camera. Out. Bird, meet the beautiful snow. What did I say? I didn't say you could go upside.
Make a little slit so you can go on the.
I can't. I don't know how to make a sled. It's made out of plastic. You wanna go on top? Go on top. The bird's staying on the snow. I'm not kidding. Mama, look at the bird. Hello. Stampy. Mama, look at a bird. Look at a bird. Hi, I like the snow. Did you see that, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
We're just gonna watch the floor. Come on. Eat it. Ooh, her bite was so hard that I'm bleeding. See a little blood. Ah, it hurts.
Here's your sleigh.
Bird, you'll get that sleigh after you eat it again. Eat it again. Eat it again. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it again. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it again. Or get on top of the camera. No, that's not what I was thinking, Bird. Eat it. Come on. Eat it. Yeah! She ate it. She flies away. No birdie in the sleigh. We'll be back in a second. The bird meets the snow again. So do my hand. The bird freaks out by a piece of snow. This is what she freaks out by. Let's fell on the floor. Bird, I'm bringing it to you.